Did you know your body is constantly healing itself? It's true. Every second your body is working hard to repair and regenerate. From tiny cuts to major injuries, your body is capable of amazing feats of self-restoration. This natural healing ability is a gift, a force within us that deserves our attention and support. Understanding this process can empower us to live healthier lives. We often take our body's resilience for granted. We get a cut, it heals. We catch a cold and we recover. But have you ever stopped to think about the intricate processes happening beneath the surface? It's a symphony of cellular activity, orchestrated by a wisdom far beyond our conscious awareness. This innate intelligence knows exactly what to do to mend and rejuvenate. It's constantly working to maintain balance and harmony within our system. By understanding and supporting this natural ability, we can unlock a world of healing potential. Just like a car needs fuel to run, your body needs the right nutrients to heal. What you eat impacts your body's ability to repair. Think of food as the building blocks for healing. A diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean protein provides essential nutrients. These nutrients ignite the healing fire within. For example, vitamin C is crucial for collagen production. Antioxidants protect your cells from damage. Protein provides amino acids for tissue repair. Processed foods and sugar hinder healing. These foods create inflammation, diverting energy from repair. Just as a fire needs oxygen, your body needs nourishing fuel to heal. Your environment plays a significant role in your overall well-being and your body's ability to heal. Imagine trying to recover from an injury in a chaotic and stressful environment. It's not ideal, is it? Stress triggers the release of hormones like cortisol, which can suppress the immune system and hinder healing. Creating a calm and peaceful environment can significantly impact your body's ability to repair and rejuvenate. Surrounding yourself with nature is incredibly beneficial. Studies have shown that spending time outdoors reduces stress hormones and boosts the immune system. Fresh air, sunlight, and the soothing sounds of nature can do wonders for your overall health. Getting enough sleep is also crucial for healing. During sleep, your body releases growth hormone, which promotes cell regeneration and tissue repair. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night to allow your body ample time to rest and recover. The human body is a marvel of nature, equipped with an innate intelligence that continually strives for balance and well-being. By understanding and supporting this natural healing ability, we can unlock a world of potential within ourselves. Remember, healing is not just about addressing symptoms, it's about creating an internal environment where your body can thrive. Nourishing your body with the right foods, cultivating a peaceful mind, and surrounding yourself with a supportive environment are all essential aspects of unlocking your body's inherent wisdom. Embrace the power within you. Trust your body's innate ability to heal. By making conscious choices that support your well-being, you can experience the miraculous power of self-healing and live a healthier, more vibrant life. Please subscribe to our channel for more videos on self-healing and wellness.